Hey guys, Technometry here today with a video for you guys on how to properly erase and factory reset your iPhone 8 or any of the iPhones that you have. So this method I'll show you guys how to do it properly without getting, iCloud lock or having your data still on the phone. But also, before you go ahead and do that, there's a couple things you want to do. First thing you want to do is kind of go ahead and if you guys have a computer or if you're signed into iCloud, back up your data if you want to keep your data. So here, as you can see, I already signed out of this iCloud account, but if you're logged in, you want to do is going to click on your name here usually or your account, and then once you go there at the bottom, scroll down on that page, you'll see a sign out button. You're going to sign out. That way it prevents the phone from being what's known as iCloud lock. Basically, if you reset it, it'll ask you for your password again, so you don't want to do that. So you're going to sign out first. The other thing you want to do is, if you have an iCloud account, hit that backup button, or you can even connect it to your laptop by just hooking it up to iTunes, and it will prompt you to kind of back it up. So I already did both of that stuff. So those are kind of crucial if you wanted to back it up to another device or save your data. So once you're in settings, you want to go to general, and once you're in general, you're going to go all the way down to reset. And in reset, you'll see there's a bunch of options here. Reset all settings, erase all content, and settings. So that's the option you want to do, the second one. The first one just resets to default settings, doesn't delete any of your data or anything like that. That's if you wanted to kind of have the setting be back to default but not lose any of your data. But what we want to do is to do a factory reset. We want to erase all content and settings, and then you'll see kind of a warning pop up with that this will delete all of your media and data and reset all of your settings. So you're going to click erase iPhone, and then this is the final warning message. So you really want to be sure that you want to delete everything. So it's kind of confirmation, and we're going to hit erase iPhones, and after that you will see the Apple logo appear. So a pro tip for you guys is that if you guys are looking to do that, the less stuff you have, the faster the reset will be. So if you have tons of video or pictures or apps, if you want to go ahead and delete those first, the ones that you don't want to need to back up or keep on your phone, you can go ahead and do that. It's going to help to kind of clean up some of the memory that it has to delete. Other than that, you can always just do that, and it usually takes a couple minutes depending on how big of data that you have on your phone. Here, as you can see, it went through the first initial deletion. It's going to go to another one. After that, it will get us back to kind of the setup screen, the screen that you usually get when you first turn on your iPhone and setting it up for the first time. So that's how you properly erase everything and delete everything on your iPhone if you're looking to do that. Hopefully this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up and like and subscribe, and comment on kind of the phone that you're currently using. Also, if you guys are new to our channel, check out our other video where we do unboxing and review and giveaways on iPhones on our channel. So we do a lot of that. So thanks for watching, guys.